Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got a Toshiba Portable AC and want to control it from your phone but are unsure how to connect it to Wi-Fi, the setup process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes the app cannot find the unit right away, while other times the Toshiba Portable AC appears during setup but never fully connects to the network. Since smart features usually depend on correct Wi-Fi pairing and app settings, learning the right setup process can save a lot of frustration later. The best part is that once the Toshiba Portable AC connects successfully, changing temperatures and settings from your phone becomes much more convenient. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to connect a Toshiba Portable AC to Wi-Fi. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the Toshiba Portable AC and keep it near a strong Wi-Fi signal. Step 2. Open the app used for the Toshiba Portable AC on your phone before setup. Step 3. Put the Toshiba Portable AC into Wi-Fi pairing mode if the app requests it. Step 4. Enter the Wi-Fi password connected to the Toshiba Portable AC carefully during setup. Step 5. Wait while the Toshiba Portable AC finishes connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Test controls in the app and confirm the Toshiba Portable AC responds normally.